Converting text to columns. You can use the Text to Columns command in the Data Tools group of the Data tab to split a single column of text into multiple columns. Let's separate the names of the students in the displayed sheet into two columns, first name and last name. Select the cells containing the names and then click the Text to Columns icon. In the Convert Text to Columns wizard window, you can see two options. The first one is Delimited. This is used to specify that a character such as a comma or space separates the fields in the text. The Fixed Width option is used to specify that the text must be split after a fixed number of characters. In this case, the delimiter is a space between the first name and the last name. So, ensure that the delimited option is selected and click Next. In the next window, you need to specify the delimiter. Click space and then click Next. In this window, you can specify the data formats of the columns. Let's retain the default format General. Click Finish. Since the column to the right of the selected column has formatting applied, you see a pop-up asking you whether the existing data is to be replaced. Click OK. Now, the name data is divided into two columns, first name and last name. Click outside the selection. Removing duplicates. The Remove Duplicates command in the Data Tools group of the Data tab can help you to quickly remove duplicate values from a cell range. This worksheet contains multiple records for each salesperson. Now, if you want a simple list of salespersons, how will you get it? If you copy the data from the column containing the names, you will get a lot of duplicate entries. To remove the duplicates, keeping the copied data selected, click Remove Duplicates. Click OK in the displayed window. A pop-up is displayed informing you about the number of duplicates removed. Click OK. Then click outside the selection. You now have a list of all salespersons without any duplicates. Data validation. The data validation icon is used to control the type of data that users enter into a cell. For example, you may want to restrict data entry to a certain range of dates, limit choices by using a list, or make sure that only positive numbers are entered. The displayed worksheet contains a list of employees with details of their departments and monthly salaries. Let's set up a validation rule that the department code should be not more than 3 characters long. Select the column containing the department code by clicking the column heading B. Now on the Data tab, in the Data Tools group, click Data Validation. The Settings tab of the Data Validation window is displayed. In the Allow box, select Text Length, and in the Data box, select Less than or Equal to. In the Maximum box, enter 3 and click OK. Now, in the worksheet, enter the name of a new employee at the bottom of the list and enter a department code having more than 3 characters. Press Tab to go to the next cell. Excel will not allow this and displays an error message. Click Cancel and enter a valid value. This time, pressing Tab allows you to move to the next cell since the validation rule of 3 characters is satisfied. To make data entry easier or to restrict entries to a range of values, you can create a drop-down list of valid entries that is compiled from other cells in the workbook. Select the column containing the department codes. Now click Data Validation. In the displayed window, on the Settings tab, in the Allow box, select List. And then click the Collapse button at the right end. Select the cells containing the valid values and then click the Expand button in the collapsed window. Now click OK. Since you created a drop-down list for this column, a small arrow is displayed whenever a cell within it is active. Enter the name of a new employee. Now try entering an invalid department. An error message is displayed. Click Cancel. To select a valid department, click the arrow and then select the entry that you want. Now you are allowed to move to the next cell since a valid value has been entered. Validation messages. When a cell which has validation rules specified is active, you can specify a message to be displayed for the user's information. Select the column containing the department codes and click Data Validation. Activate the Input Message tab in the Data Validation window and enter your message title and text. Then click OK. Click any cell within the column to see the informative message. In the same way, the Error Alert tab in the Data Validation window can be used to display a customized error message instead of the default one when invalid data is entered. This is how your custom error message will look. Removing data validation. To remove applied data validation, select the column to which data validation has been applied. Then click Data Validation. Click Clear All and then click OK. No validation rules will be applied now.